Welcome back to Cooking Made Simple. Today's recipe, guys, chicken piccata. Super simple ingredients on this one. I have some chicken breast. I took off the skin. I butterflied it real nice and thin. We've got some butter, capers, flour, chicken stock, lemon, and some parsley for garnish at the end. So with our chicken, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. We're gonna place that into our flour. Salt, pepper the other side. Make sure the flour is completely coated all over the chicken and dredge off some of that excess flour. Right, now in our saute pan, we have some oil in there, not too much, just enough to kind of coat the bottom. The trick to this is we don't want to cook this too high. We want it on like a medium to a low heat because we don't want our flour to burn, but we want to get that nice golden brown on the chicken. Also, we're going to add butter right now, so we don't want our butter to burn either. So this is about as hot as you want to go. Just to where the butter is bubbling real nice on you. We're gonna add our chicken. About 2 to 3 minutes on each side. We're just gonna get that nice golden brown, then we're gonna remove them from the pan. So I see that nice golden brown line coming up. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna turn these over. Nice color, nice color. Another 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're gonna remove those from the pan. We're gonna place those to the side. And now we're gonna start building our sauce. So you're gonna add just a little tiny bit of chicken stock, not much, just enough to cover the bottom of the pan. And basically what this chicken stock's doing is deglazing the pan. It's getting all that nice chicken bits and flour and everything off the bottom of the pan. It's gonna infuse into the sauce, make it nice and flavorful. That excess flour is gonna thicken our sauce slightly. So let this reduce down. All right, so now you're gonna add your freshly squeezed lemon juice, just a little bit. We're gonna keep that cooking down just a little bit, and also add in your capers, just like that. All right, now we're gonna add our chicken back to the pan, and we're basically gonna just finish cooking this off. And it's gonna absorb all that flavor right there. The chicken stock, the capers, the lemon, it's gonna suck it all in. All right, another couple minutes. Now we're gonna take it back out of the pan one last time. You're gonna cut your heat off all the way. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna vigorously whisk in butter to this. And why we're vigorously doing it is so it doesn't break. As long as we keep whisking the butter in, it won't break and it'll be a nice creamy sauce at the end. Ah, there it is. Sexy.